So far, we have discussed how to link documents using the copy to and copy from functions. But sometimes those options are not available and we still need to show that two documents are related. In those cases, we can use reference documents. Reference documents allow you to manually indicate that two documents are connected, even if they were not created using the copy to or copy from. For example, imagine that you need to create an AR credit memo related to an AR invoice that is already fully paid. Since the invoice is already paid, the system will not allow you to use the copy to function to create the credit memo. So in this situation, you can create a credit memo and use the reference documents to indicate which invoice it relates to. So here, for example, let's imagine that we have received a credit memo from the vendor related to this AP invoice. So if I open the AP invoice and try to click on copy to credit memo, SAP doesn't allow me to do so because the copy from and copy to functionalities are disabled because this AP invoice is closed. So the only way to do the credit memo is creating a standalone credit memo and link it using the reference document. And in this case, I'm going to create a service credit memo. Okay, so now I'm going to link this credit memo with the AP invoice. So to do so, I'm going to click on the accounting tab. And in the reference documents, we have three dots. I'm going to click on it. And here in the transaction type, I'm going to select AP invoice. And in the document number, SAP will give me the list of AP invoices for that particular vendor. So I'm going to select it here. Click on choose. Here I am able to add some remarks and hit an update. And update again. And now if I right click and select relationship map, I will be able to see this reference document. Now here, as you can see, the default view is the document tree, which will show me only the documents that were linked using the copy to and copy from functionality. But here we have the option to show the reference documents as well. So I'm going to check that option. And now SAP will show me the reference document, which is the AP invoice. Now I'm going to double click in the AP invoice to see the relationship map from the AP invoice. Here we have all the documents that were created using the copy from and copy to functions. But in this case, if I check reference documents, the system will show me the credit memo as well, because the credit memo was linked using the reference documents. So again, this option is useful when we are not able to link a document using the copy from or copy to functionality.